Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The Charm Girl. In this video I am going to tell you how to get fullers, supple and pink lips in 3-step process. So watch this video till the end for the effective home remedy. And follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID and I mentioned the link in the description box. Before going to the video, please click on the red color subscribe button and click on the bell icon for the latest beauty tips. Let's start the video. For this remedy we need half tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon has antibacterial properties and skin lightening agent. And the next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar acts as a natural scrub in this remedy and it helps to treat with sun damage. Now mix both the ingredients. The first step is scrub the lips with the old toothbrush about 2 to 3 minutes. It helps to remove the dead skin cells. And the second step is apply the mixture on your lips about 2 to 3 minutes. And the third step is apply the lip balm. It helps to heal your lips. Now you get your fullers pink lips in 3 minutes. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please don't forget to click on the red color subscribe button and click on the bell icon for the latest beauty tips. Bye bye.